Hi, this is going to be an example of how to configure the context menu for all files and folders to add two commands to them, copy to and move to. So the first thing we need to do is go to the File Types dialog. That's in the Settings menu, Settings, File Types. Now if we look in this dialog, there's a number of file types listed. The one that affects all files and folders is called All Files and Folders. So we click on that, we click Edit, which brings up the File Type Editor. Then we go to the Context Menu tab. Now, I've already got a custom context menu in my All Files and Folders file type. You won't see that. But everything else should be pretty much as it's shown here. Now, to add a new command, we simply click the New button, which pops up this New Action dialog. Now, the action is the name that's going to be shown in the menu, so let's call it Copy To. And the type, because we want to run an Opus command, this will only work within Directory Opus, it won't work in Explorer. So we set the type to run an Opus function. Now there's lots of commands built into Directory Opus, you can see some of them listed here, and they've got a bunch of arguments. But the command to copy a file to an arbitrary location, that is, you right click on the file, choose Copy To, and it will pop up and ask you where do you want the file to be copied to. That is simply copy to equals ask. So we type that in, and we click OK. And that's all we have to do. Now, just for completeness, we'll add the move command as well. So again, we click New. We set the action to move to. We change the type to run an Opus function. And this time the command is copy move to equals ask. So we type that in. We click OK. Now you can see that they've been added to the bottom of the list. You can drag them around if you want. So you can put them at the top, for example, if you want to be able to get to them more easily. Anyway, that's basically all we have to do. So we click OK to exit out of there, and then we click Close. And now if we right-click on a file, we should see in the context menu our Copy To and Move To commands. And if I pick one of those, it pops up a dialog asking where we want to copy the file to.